Welcome to our video presentation of 49 Kingscliff Street, Kingscliff. What we have on offer here is a 3-bedroom beach house, just one street back from the beach. Here it is circled. And you can see the close proximity to Marine Parade and the beachfront. We get it to ground level, there's a remote control gate access to the driveway. There's a view of the front of the property. The grounds have improved since this video was taken. As we go up to the front door, go inside, we can see you've got polished floors inside, ceiling fans, kitchen's been updated, really presents well, server events to the outside. Going outside, there's a large undercover entertaining area that's been since improved as well with decking put down. Also got a small yard at the rear of the property. Then going back inside and up the hallway, there's 3 bedrooms. One of them's got carpet, 2 of them have got polished floors. All of them have ceiling fans. As you can see, the main bathroom too has been updated, and there's a laundry at the rear of the property. Plenty of cupboards as well for handy, and there's also extra storage to the side of the property. For more details on this property and viewing times, please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888, email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au. Are you thinking of moving to Kingscliff? Then a great resource for information about our town is the Kingscliff app. The Kingscliff app is a directory of Kingscliff and has been produced by the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals as a local business and community initiative. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to check out all that's offering Kingscliff, including dining, shopping, schools, removalists, services and events. Download the Kingscliff app free today in iTunes or Google Play, or by scanning the QR codes on your screen will lead you directly to the Kingscliff app.